Yeah, hello, Martin here from Baker's Garden Buildings. I'm up at the centre, and to make way for some exciting new developments here, which I'll share with you later on in the season. We're looking to move on this compact office. It's 2.5 metres square. It's under the 2.5 planning rules. This can be done within permitted development. You've got the anthracite grey MTX to the left side there with the window. On the front, we've done this lovely split face tile just to give a really nice feeling of it. And then you've got the UPVC inline sliders, say 2.5 metres square. A lovely one-person office. Really does fit well. You actually could do a little bit more with this even if you done it nicely and maybe put a seat in there instead of the storage, but nevertheless a really nice feeling space of room. We'll dismantle the building, reinstall it, repaint it. If you want this lovely image of the business district of London, you will be welcome to it because it fits in here perfectly. The new building won't have that, so that's a little something we're happy to throw in as a real cool feature wall. And even the furniture we're looking to move on. So really happy to work with you on this building to get it moved on. Be sharing the prices below on this, and it'd be a great opportunity to have a Baker's Garden room at a discounted rate to help us move this demonstration building on. Thank you for watching this, and please share this and let everyone know about this building that's up for sale. The only one that this year from Baker's. This is a once in a year opportunity.